Yo, what's up, man? What's going on, everybody? Coming back with another video. Today I'm changing on the G35, all right? This canister vent valve thing. I got a code. It says like large leak or something. You know what I'm saying? Straight from Japan, man. All the way from Japan. Seeing what's going on. Let me change this out now. I got the car jacked up. And I believe, let me see. I think the first thing we gotta do, oh, this is gonna suck. Damn. Yeah, I think we gotta take these clips off. Oh, wait a minute. Is there something in here that I can get off? Okay, guys, nope. We're just gonna take these 10mm bolts off. One here, one here, one here, and one here. Take these off. Wow. Hopefully I didn't break that. All this crap is rusted back here. Great. Here's the perfect way not to do this. These are all bolts. All these bolts are rusty. Yeah, this is gonna suck. So this bolt is completely rusted. Can't get that one off. This bolt is completely rusted. Can't get that one off. I was able to get one. Able to get this one off and this one off. Okay. Now I just pulled it out here. I'm trying to get you guys to get a good lighting, so which sucks. So it's in here. That's what you want to get out. That piece. Take that hose off and take that connection off up there, and you're gonna turn that thing to the left and the whole piece will come out. All right, here goes the old one, all plastic. This is a much like way beefier design. Okay, this thing sits in there like this, all right, and you have to turn it to the left and then try wiggling it out. I had to mess with it a little bit for it to come actually all the way out. All right, it's not easy. Just take your time and don't break, you know, the actual canister or the actual, you know, don't break this piece, whatever it connects to. I'll tell you one thing, it goes in way easier than it comes out. So what I did was, like I said, I started it on the side, pot it in, and then I turned it up so that the switch, the connecting part, is up top. And it locks in place. Just push it, try to push on it to see if it comes out. If it doesn't come out, you should probably, you know, you're good. Put your clip in on the top. Put this connection back up there, and then puts this hose at the bottom, and then put your bolts back in, and you should be good to go. That was a quick one. Quick and easy. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, subscribe, let me know what else you guys want to see. All right, later.